Hi, my name is Richard Bird from Raine Horne Ipswich and welcome to 21A Balfour Street, Coalfalls. This is a very busy household. The tenants have been awesome and they've graciously allowed me to do a video. So I hope this video is of assistance for anybody who can't be here, and even for those that are looking for a second look or a third look and they just want to have a look again at what they've already seen. Fingers crossed this does the trick. If you haven't already noticed, the home is very spoiled. There are air conditioners almost everywhere, fans, and lots of breezes that keep this home cool in summer. The home itself is situated above all known floodlines. It is in Coalfalls. Now, Coalfalls is an important suburb of Ipswich. It is almost within walking distance. In fact, if you had young legs, walking distance is easy through to the CBD, certainly to any of the schools that are located really nearby. You've got Ipswich Boys Grammar, you've got St Edmunds, St Mary's, Blair State School, and of course the CBD. The train station, Thomas Street train station, is just within walking distance. So I do apologise, I wasn't able to get into this massive shed today. My name is Richard Bird from Raine Horne Ipswich, and should you need anything further, please don't hesitate to give me a call on 0448 418 518.